Scene script. Why is it that we humans have this innate desire to know the future? From weather forecasts to financial predictions, the ability to anticipate what's ahead is a powerful tool. Today, we delve into the world of forecasting, specifically through the lens of linear regression models. Output. Linear regression models, what a mouthful, right? But stick around, and you'll find it's not as complex as it sounds. At its core, a linear regression model is a statistical tool used to predict the future based on past data. Picture a scatter plot with a bunch of points representing historical data. Now imagine drawing a straight line that best fits those points. That's essentially what a linear regression model does. The line is a mathematical representation of the relationship between two or more variables. If we're talking about house prices, for instance, the variables could be the size of the house and its price. In this case, the line would show us that as the size of the house increases, so does its price. This pattern helps us predict the price of a house based on its size. But how does a linear regression model find this best fit line, you may wonder? It does so by minimizing the difference between the actual data points and their predicted values on the line. This difference is often referred to as residuals or errors. The smaller these residuals, the better the fit of the line, and the more accurate our future predictions become. Now, the beauty of linear regression models is their wide range of applications. They are not just about predicting house prices. These models are used in weather forecasting, stock market predictions, in healthcare for disease trends, and even in sports for performance tracking. In all these fields, linear regression aids in making informed decisions by providing a glimpse into the future. Remember though, while linear regression is a powerful tool, it's not without its limitations. It assumes a linear relationship between variables, meaning it works best when the data points form a pattern that looks like a straight line. When the relationship is more complex, other types of regression models might be more suitable. In summary, linear regression models are a key tool in forecasting. They allow us to predict future outcomes based on past data by establishing a mathematical relationship between variables. From predicting house prices to tracking disease trends, their applications are vast and varied, but like all tools, they are most effective when used appropriately, considering their assumptions and limitations. So, the next time you check the weather forecast or read a financial prediction, remember the humble linear regression model. It's working behind the scenes, helping us make sense of the world and anticipate what's to come.